Hello guys, we're here to Neom Advanced Sport. They call it the hub. They will do what we will do here, Evie? We'll do biking. Yeah, so we go in biking. So hope you like it. And yeah, that's it. So ayun, dinala ko ng amo ko kasi wala kaming magawa doon sa aming bahay. Kaya ito ngayon, dito kami mag-biking. Hi! Come on here. So now we're here in Beach Club. There's a Red Sea there. So good. Pero sobrang lamig. Hindi pa kayo makaswim. Kita naman, naka-jacket pa ako. So just stay here. Wait for them. Kasi yung panganay namin, andun pa, cycling. So just go here first kasi nagutom naman ito mga bata. Anuhin man ito mga bata na ito kasi gutom man ito sila. Nagugutom sila kaya pumunta kami muna dito sa Beach Club. They need snacks, sabi nila. So, doon kami sa Beach Club muna. So, ayan.
Daddy, it's in car. Hey!
By the way, we're gonna have to get fit for skiing.
Could I pick?
Yeah.
And we're from Glow.
We'll just have an injury at this age.
We're from Glow. And I have a Glow.
4 seconds.
Mom, can I have my Glow? I'm gonna say I didn't have my Glow.
Safety drone unit. I mean,
So long. Gustuhan ng ating video, paki-like and subscribe naman po ng ating channel. Maraming salamat po.